Here we go. We have a question. Sort zeros, ones and twos. So you have given an array contains 0, 1 and 2's and we need to sort the array in ascending order. So here is an example. We have 0 to 1 then 2 0. So first 0 then ones then all twos. So let's talk about the naive approach. The naive approach is to use the inbuilt sorting algorithm. So at the end we have our sorted array. In this our time complexity is n log n. So let's talk about the better approach. In the better approach we count the frequency of zeros, ones and twos, and on the next pass we fill that many zeros, ones and twos in our array. So in this, the time complexity is order of n, but to be more precise, order of 2n because we need to iterate 2 times. Let's talk about the expected approach. In the expected approach, we only need to traverse one time. So let's build the approach. First, we are only interested in zeros and twos and one be in the middle automatically. So we need two variables. So in this we apply two pointer approach. The variable name is 0. It represents the 0 location, and second it represents the second location where the value second will be placed. So let's iterate. First we have this value. So this is 0. This ith value will be on 0th location. In this case, if we swap, we got the same answer. So let's move to next location. We move to next location. In this, the ith element is 0. So this ith element will be on the 0 location. In this case, it is already 0. So let's move to next location. This is 0 and this is the next value. Now this is 1. This is 1. So we just move to next location. 1b in the middle automatically. We don't need to care about 1. We have this value. This is 2. So this 2 will be on the last location. We need to swap this 2 with the last value. Now this second pointer will point to one less index. Next we have this I. We will not increment our I pointer when we swap 2. Why? Because we are getting value from backwards. This values is not sorted. Maybe we got 0, maybe we got 1, maybe we got 2. We are not sure. That's why we will not increment our I pointer whenever we swap 2. In this case, the value is 2. So we swap our values 2 and 2, and the next 2 and the next 2 location will be on one less index. Next, this ith value is still 2. So we first need to swap the values. This is 0, this is 2, and the next 2 location will be on one less index. So this is a crucial point. The ith value is not sorted. We need to sort it. That's the reason we don't increment our I pointer. The ith value is 0. So we need to swap the value. So the 0 location is this. This represents the 0 location. So we swap this ith pointer with 0. So now it is 1, it is 0. Now uh, we have filled our 0 value. So this is the 0 location now. The ith value is 1. Ith value is 1. So we just move to next value. We just move to next value. So as you can see, all the values are already sorted. So we just need to traverse till second pointer, because initially second points to the last location and second pointer represent the second value to be placed in. So this value decrements whenever a value 2 occur. So the second value is points to the number 2 location. So we just need to iterate till second. So that's the approach. Let's code this. We need an L pointer, it represent the 0 location, then R pointer, it represent the 2 location, and a variable I for traversal. Next, this condition should hold true. If ith value is 0, then we need to swap it with L. We know that this current value, I value is 0, so we just fill our L value to 0 because we are swapping the values. Next, we need to move to next location. Also increment our L and move to next location. If our value is 2, then we got our value from backwards, from right hand side. So R location points to the number 2 uh, location, number 2 index. So we just got our value from that, and ith value is 2, so we just fill this value to the last location, to R location. Then we need to decrement our R, and in this case only we does not increment our I, because maybe the right hand side value is 0, 1 or 2, we are not sure, that's why. So else if our value is 1, so we just move to next location. Let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, the time complexity is order of n and space is constant. Code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.